Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox One X, then wait at least 10 minutes so capacitors discharge. Put on an anti-static strap. You don't want to short anything. Use a Torx T8 and a Phillips PH0 to remove the visible screws, then carefully pry the plastic clips with a thin tool. Once the shell is loose, lift the top away and expose the chassis. Make sure nothing moves until you're ready to remove the power supply. With the case open, first disconnect the AC inlet cable and the main multi-pin power connector from the motherboard. Press the latch and pull straight back. Next, remove the screws holding the PSU mounting bracket. Keep screws organized by location. Note how the fan and output connectors face, so the replacement mirrors orientation. Carefully lift the power supply straight up. If it resists, check for hidden screws or cable ties. Once free, place the old unit aside and prepare the new replacement for installation. Seat the new power supply in the exact same orientation, align the mounting holes, and reinstall the bracket screws snugly but not over tight. Reconnect the multi-pin board connector and the AC inlet, ensuring latches click. Refit the top shell and reinstall external screws. Plug in and power on, listen for fan spin and watch for the Xbox ring. If the console does not power, turn off and unplug, then check the AC cable. Inspect the PSU fuse and solder joints, and probe connector pins with a voltmeter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.